This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Daignault-Ives. This home is ready for new owners to come in and add their personal touch. 4-bedroom, 2-bath CBS home west/2-car garage. In a very desirable neighborhood, open floor plan with lots of rooms and storage. Huge open living area, large kitchen with large pantry and laundry room, formal dining area, office or family room, huge master bedroom and bath with garden tub and shower, as well as a huge walk-in closet, and a guest bathroom with access out to the large patio. Best of all, you get all of this close to all the shops, restaurants, schools, etc. just minutes away from US 1 and 528 with access to the beaches. Space Center. Seller does not pay customary closing cost including title policy, escrow fees, survey or transfer fees. This property may qualify for Seller Financing Vendee. For more information, review the details below or contact Daignault-Ives at 321-537-3956.